Okay guys, let's have a little look at 13 then. The fourth term is 8. The seventh term is an 8th. Find A, R and S11. So let's put down this information first then. The fourth term is 8. So that's AR cubed, isn't it? And that's 8. That's the first piece of information. The seventh term is AR to the 6. And that equals 1/8. And that's the second piece of information. This has the higher power, doesn't it? The second equation. So if we do 2 divided by 1, and see what we get. The a's will cancel and we'll get a power of r, won't we? That divided by that will be AR to the 6 over AR cubed. And that will be 1/8 on top and 8 underneath. So that tells us then the a's cancel, 3 of the r's will cancel to leave r cubed, and you'll get 1 over 64. To undo a cube, you cube root, so cube root both sides. Cube root 1 over 64 is 1 over 4. So you can tap down your calculator if you need to. So there's r. Let's sub it into the easier one of the two. So sub in which one? Number 1 is easier, isn't it? Sub in 1 gives, so what have we got? AR cubed, 1 to the quarter cubed equals 8. So A over 4 cubed, that is. That's A over 64 equals 8. So 8 times 64 is 512. 8 sixes are 480, 8 fours are 32. 480 and 32 is 512. So there we are then, there's A and there's R. Now we just need to get S11 next. So let's just do that then, shall we? Just a bit of spare paper then. Sn, let's write down the formula. R to the n minus 1 over R minus 1 times the value of A, of course. A is 512, so put that in first. R is a quarter. I'm going to write that as 0.25 for the sake of calculations. N is, what was it? 11. So we've got 11 minus 1 over 0.25 minus 1. Agreed? So what have we got then? We've got the minus will come out here, so I'll put that on top. Minus 512. 0.25 to the 11 minus 1. Squeeze that in there. Divided by, and this is 0.75 because I've already taken the care of the minus. I'll put it up top. So let's tap down the calculator now. So we got, let's leave the minus here and then just do this calculation. So we've got 512 times 0.25 power 11 round level minus 1. Oh, I need a bracket. We need a bracket because there's more than one term. So I should have put a bracket here and then close bracket on the top here. That's good. Divided by 0.75 then. Equals minus 682.6665. So I'm just going to round to 2dp. Minus 682.67, but that's already a minus there, so that'll be a plus. 682.67. 682.67. Trying to write a 2, aren't I? 7. There we go. Okay, let's just have a quick check. 682.67. That's fine. And the calculation, if I run along that, just have a quick look. 512 times 0.25 11 minus 1 in a bracket, divided by 0.75. Yeah, that's fine. And we got that. That's good. A and R and A. Okay, I think everything's fine. Good. That's question 13 done then. Great.